Good day everyone. Welcome again to the Microsoft Word application course. We will continue with graphics and design topics, and in this video we will focus on two topics: the drawing tools of what we call shapes, and also we will see how you can use that for drawing lines, rectangles, squares, and any other kind of shape. So let's go to our practice document and you can see how this is done. So I will open a practice document and I will scroll down to make some space. Let's say enter, enter, enter. So I keep pressing enter to get some space. So let me show you where you can find the drawing tools. Now these are basically called shapes. So you can find them by going to Insert, and there you see under Illustration you will see the shapes icon. If you click on the arrow down or drop down, you'll see a whole lot of shapes. So these are basically what we call the tools. So which means you can draw different types of shapes like lines, rectangle, basic shapes, block, arrows, equation, and the rest. And that's what you basically do. So I'll click aside. Now if I want to draw a simple line, I will simply go to Insert menu on Illustration, Shapes, and I will pick any line I want to draw. Let's just draw a simple line like this one. And when I select, you see that the mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. So to draw a line, you have to, or to draw any object, in principle, you have to click, hold your mouse, and then drag to the position you want. So since it's just a line, I can click and go to the right or down, depends on what I want. So let's do a horizontal line. Yeah, so I can leave it, and there you see. And if I want to draw something else, I go to Insert, I go to Shapes, let's draw a rectangle. Click a rectangle, then I can click, hold my mouse, drag to the right and drag down, and let's make it a little bit smaller, and I can leave it. And another thing I can choose to draw is maybe, no, I go to Insert menu, I go to shape, and I go to some oval shape or maybe an arrow. Let's say we want something like that, and click, hold, drag your mouse that direction and down, and finally we'll pick one more shape and let's see what it will be. Let's go for call out, something like this, and I will click, drag, and I can work with that. So when you are able to draw this, so you've been able to use the drawing tools and draw some shapes, you can do as much as you want. Now you can also move these shapes by clicking on them and just on the edge and dragging them around. Click on this one, make sure your mouse pointer changes with a cross sign. You know you can move, click and drag to the line, cross sign, click and drag, and you can increase by first selecting it, take any of the edge and drag, or this one and drag. And the same goes here. You can go both ways on the edge, other sides, and you can also rotate this by clicking on this handle and rotating it the way you want. Now you can go back. For the line that's a little bit difficult, I'm not sure why it's not selecting. Okay, you cannot do that, but you can easily just drag or do this yourself. You know, keep the mouse holding and only release when you have it where you want. So basically this is how you work with shapes and drawing tools. Thank you very much for listening, and I will see you in the next video.